tell them. It's power in the tongue, I still be trying to be discreet. What you know about going through some hell and trying to keep it G? I had beat your block, you had got off instead of beating feet. Every time you keep shit real, it'll never come with a receipt. Niggas see that bill, put it on the table, act like they ain't eat. Niggas talk that tough shit, bump down on.
We control the traffic. Real hot, boy.
Shit coming through here.
Why?
We control the traffic. We control the traffic. Numbers ain't even adding up. You can't fuck with us.
Real hot, boy.
Shit ballin' like Mike. I'm ballin'.
We control the traffic.
On my crazy, nigga, that's what it is. Oh, baby, Ford on my crazy, that you copping big. Got a cop song, pull me over, what's the law? That ain't stop nothing. Still leave no work at the house, cause the cops coming. We just did the deal with CLG, and we still 100 balls in, 100 balls out, and we still trapping. Now we know your diamonds more than light, and you still capping. Now I'm on the stage with my fans, and the boss gone. Going back and forth on my price, man, it's 7 stones. In the tennis, see them gold balls and used to get trains ran on them.
Pull that. Hey, wake your stupid ass up.
Right here. Hey.
When we taking off?
Shit, I gotta represent. Y'all want some rider shit? But here it is. How you ride? Bad bitch, hair, did nails, feet. How you ride? Leather seats, TVs with the beats. How you ride? Getting bent behind tent, you can't see through. And my rims way bigger than yours. How you ride? Bad bitch, hair, did nails, feet. How you ride? Leather seats, TVs with the beats. How you ride? Getting bent.
What going on? Fuck, this your boy Jetboy Martin. That little vlog right now. Shit, it's first time trail ride in Wichita. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. In the store yelling and shit. Look at Asian now.
Hey, don't start with
Nobody talking to your switch gender having your switch gender there. We outside for real. This the falls for real. What's going on, bro? We got this nigga. Every time I see this nigga, he in his Nike fit. This nigga don't do not change. Ball head ass nigga. We got niggas acting like they shoot a music video and shit. They shoot a music video and shit. What's going on with y'all, man? First trail ride. How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling? How you feeling, man?
I want a beer.
What's going on, Pap?
Man, what's up with it, man?
It's your boy Jetboy.
Jetboy,
hey! First trail ride in the city. I know that nigga stink ass nigga. Oh, watch out, boy. Ooh, bro, get that horse away from me, bro. Look at Big Dave, big ass nigga. That house so nasty, boy. We got Kiati and Leo. Hey, where that nigga on that horse that hit me? Let me hit that. Oh, that hole been open, boy. Here, record me. I got record on Snap.
Leo ATM, bottom merge. You already know what it is. After the money. If you're after the money, you can get it. If you broke as fuck, don't touch my shit.
Shit, boy.
Let me get some of that, bro.
Hey, I'm finna.
a whole lot of, yeah.
I'm finna. That's so hard, bro. Everything, bro. I'm finna record that little ass beetle. This nigga wanna be a Jackson. Look at this dumbass nigga.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Drop past KD right quick. I'm trying to record that bitch. Hey, KD! First, I'ma go and count me 100. And then what? Go and quit for my trap.
Still doing numbers from the cliff to the south. Switch cars and go and jump in that Benz. Call one of my little bitches, tell her bring all her friends. On Route 12 right now, finna go to the Grove. I ain't closing no trap till everything gets sold. Hey.
We're really out here.
What they say? That's what I'm saying. Jeans, you know that's a fat. Hello. Yeah, do the right.
How y'all feel that trail ride?
What's the right?
First,
Right here.
you doing that shit all wrong. Say, I don't know how to do this shit. I'm trying to hop on the four-wheeler though. I don't do that country dancing shit. Ooh,
Y'all gotta go. My son
this
said
nigga
for me to go
fucking
home.
fool, bro. This nigga don't.
You don't even get enough views. You only get.
Are you hating, bro?
Like me.
I'll
make you go viral, bro.
You talking about views? I'm making money though, nigga. I can pull out a rat right now. And look at this nigga head. Pull out a rat right now. Oh, damn, they going everywhere. Shit. This too much fucking moving. I ain't doing this. That nigga. Come back, bro. Hey, Pep. Spin that bitch. Oh, you can't spin that hoe? Spin that hoe. Spin that hoe. Do a donut.
Devil only know about what you tell him. It's power in the tongue, I still be trying to be discreet. What you know about going through some hell and trying to keep it G. I had beat your block, you had got off instead of beating feet. Every time you keep shit real, it'll never come with a receipt. Niggas see that bill put on the table, act like they ain't eat. Niggas talk that tough shit, bump down on